Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to check your LinkedIn followers. If you've been building your professional presence on LinkedIn, you'll want to know exactly who's following your content and updates. This simple process lets you see everyone who's chosen to follow your profile, which can be incredibly useful for understanding your audience and growing your network. Let's walk through this together. First things first, open up your web browser and navigate to linkedin.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to log into your account using your email address and password. Make sure you're signing into the correct account if you manage multiple profiles. After entering your credentials, click the Sign In button and wait for your LinkedIn homepage to fully load. Now that you're logged in and on your main LinkedIn feed, direct your attention to the top navigation bar. Here you'll see several menu options spread across the top of the page. One of these options is labeled My Network. Go ahead and click on it. This is your central hub for managing all your connections, invitations, and follower information. It's where LinkedIn organizes everyone in your professional circle. After clicking My Network, you'll be taken to a new page with various options displayed on the left side panel. This sidebar contains different categories related to your network activity. Look for the option that says Following and click on it. This section shows you the accounts and people you're currently following, but we need to flip this view to see who's following you instead. Once you're in the Following section, look toward the top of the page. You should see tabs or options that let you switch between different views. Find the one labeled Followers and click on it. This simple click changes your view from people you follow to people who are following you, giving you complete visibility into your audience. And there you have it. You can now see the complete list of all your LinkedIn followers displayed right in front of you. You'll be able to scroll through and see everyone who's chosen to follow your professional updates and content. This view helps you understand who's interested in what you share and can guide your content strategy moving forward. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.